This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and creating a target database. Install Visual Studio and SQL Server, then create a simple test database and table. Once done, add the appropriate SQL client NuGet package to your project and set a clear connection string in app settings. JSON or app. Config. Make sure to use integrated security or a specific SQL account depending on your environment. This choice affects authentication and connection string format. Now that dependencies are present, you're ready to write connection code. You will now write the C# code to connect and run queries. Create a SQL connection with your connection string inside a using block to ensure disposal. Once open, create a SQL command and always use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection. Add SQL parameter instances for each value. Execute commands with execute non-query for insert/updates, execute scalar for single values, or execute reader to stream results. Make sure to handle exceptions around open and execute so you can finish by reading and mapping results into your application models. Use SQL data reader's read loop, check for DB null before casting, and populate DTOs or view models efficiently. Once done, let using blocks close the reader and connection so connection pooling works correctly. Make sure transactions are committed or rolled back as required. If something goes wrong, check the connection string, SQL login permissions, and firewall or network rules. Often the issue is credentials or a wrong server name, so verify those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.